Today I'm going to show you how to fix add a collaborator not showing option on Instagram. So let's begin the video. To begin with, here I am going to click on the plus icon at the top right corner, and once I click on this icon, after that I will select the post option at the top and it will redirect me to my gallery, and here I will select any desired image, and once I select the desired image I will click on the next button at the top. After that it will land me to this page. Now as you can see, it's only showing tag people option there. Now I will tap on the photo to tag people, but as you can see it's not showing me add a collaborator option. So to fix this issue I will go back to my home screen and I clicked on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Here I will click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Here I will scroll down and go to the option switch to professional mode, and once I clicked on it my professional mode will be on. Here I have to select from these two options, and once I have selected it, now I have to go back and check if my problem is solved or not. Once all done, now I will go back to my home screen. Here I have to again click on the post option at the top. Now I will select any desired image I want to upload. After that I will hit on the next button. Now as you can see it's still showing me tag people option, not add a collaborator option. So to fix this issue, what you have to do is you have to go back and go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If it needs to be updated, you have to update your app to resolve your issue. Once your app is updated, now you have to again check if your problem is fixed or not. So this is how you can fix Instagram add a collaborator option not showing.